Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. When your hotel collection diffuser won't turn on at all, it can feel like the device has completely stopped working, especially when there's no light, no sound, and no response from the power button. But in most situations, this kind of issue isn't caused by a major fault. It's usually something related to power delivery, internal safety triggers, or how the unit is set up. These diffusers are designed with built-in protection, so if something isn't connected properly, the device may not power on at all. That's why it's important to go through a few specific checks instead of assuming it's broken. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to fix a hotel collection diffuser that won't turn on. Try these. 1. Plug the diffuser into a working power outlet and ensure the adapter is secure. 2. Try a different outlet to rule out power supply issues. 3. Turn the unit off and wait a few moments before powering it again. 4. Check that the scent bottle and internal parts are properly installed. 5. Ensure the panel or cover is fully closed and locked. 6. Press the power button and confirm the device turns on.